Do you sneeze when you look at bright lights? You might have a photic sneeze reflex, also known as autosomal dominant compelling helio-ophthalmic outburst. Achoo.
Listen, thank you.
It is about 1 in 4 people will sneeze when they look at bright lights. I figured this out because I like sneezing. Sneezing, I don't know how to describe it, but it feels good to sneeze. And sometimes I would glimpse at the sun. Boom, sneeze. For those that don't have it, it's not something that keeps happening. For me, it's about like a 1-day cooldown. But if you ever wondered, you got achoo. And just to be safe, don't look into the sun.